Why are some interventions adopted and why are others rejected? Well, Roger said that there are 5 perceived characteristics of innovation. The first perceived characteristic of innovation is called relative advantage. Does the product have a better outcome than previous products? Is it more cost efficient? Does it have a wow factor? Does it increase social prestige? These are all factors that may improve the relative advantage of a product or a reform. Other relative advantages may be that it might just be better than other products on the market or other reforms on the market. The second perceived characteristic of innovation is called compatibility. Is it compatible with what the user is already identified with? For example, if it is a software program, does it relate or does it work with their current software program or their current laptop or computer? The third characteristic is called complexity. Okay? Is the product simple? Is it complex? Does it require a lot of thinking and extra effort to understand the product? Or is it really hard to understand and difficult to reach a consensus of if it will be appropriate for someone in the future? The fourth perceived characteristic of innovation is called trialability. And this gives the user or groups a chance to try and use the product before it is actually adopted. And so that this way people can talk about the product, people can decide if it's worth it or not. And then lastly, we need to be able to observe the results from those trials, and we also need to be able to observe the actual innovation itself. And after we observe and after we've developed awareness for the product or reform, we are better able to either adopt or reject it. And so the best innovators have an advantage over their competitors. They have simple products, and they like to make sure that they are able to use compatible products for the user as well, so everyone kind of can relate on the same page. And they give the chance to the user to try it and to observe other people's opinions about the innovation. And those are the 5 perceived characteristics of innovation through Roger's model. Thanks.